Alright guys, good morning. This is lesson 4.2 and it's called percent of change. Percent of change means when we go from one number to another and we want to find the change in the numbers, what percent that's worth. So if we take a look at example number 1, we go from 10 inches to 25 inches. So what we want to know is the change from 10 to 25. What percent was that? Well, question number 1, did my number increase or decrease? I went from 10 to 25. So this would be an increase. Okay, so to find percent of change, this is a formula I would like for you to write in your notebook because you will need it for any upcoming quizzes or tests. So to find the percent of change, you take the difference of the two numbers. So students always ask, how do I know which way to subtract the numbers? Well, that answer is easy. Take the bigger number and subtract the smaller. So your answer is 15. So to find the percent of change, it equals 15 over, which number was your original number or starting number? And that would be 10. So it's 15 over 10. What I'd like you to do now is take your calculator and let's divide 15 divided by 10. And we get an answer of 1.5 or 150%. Okay, let's take a look at another example. $57 people to 65 people. So say we were at a party and the number of people when you first arrived were 57 people, and by the time you left there were 65 people. So what is that percent? And that would be a percent increase because our numbers went up. So this would be an increase. So we would take the difference of 57 and 65, so you would take the bigger number, 65 minus 57. We get a difference of 8 over the original. Originally, were 57. And we just take those two numbers and divide. So you're going to do 8 divided by 57. And if you take a look at this solution, I get 0.140. You will usually be asked to round to the tenths place. So that means you need to write 4 numbers down. 0.1403. Okay, and if I convert this to a percent, I'm going to move twice to the right. 14 point. Now the question is, do I keep this number a 0 or do I bring it up 1? Since this number is under 5 or 4 or less, we keep this as a 0. So the answer is 14.0%. Let's take a look at another example. And we have $72 paper clips to 63 paper clips. So I want to find the percent of change in the amount of paper clips that I lost. So I started with 72. At the end of the day, I'm down to 63. So this would be a percent decrease because my numbers went down from starting to finish. So take your calculator. You would do 72 minus 63. We get an answer of 9. So that's my difference, 9, over the original, which is 72. And we just divide those numbers out. 9 divide 72. We get an answer of 0.125. Make it a percent, twice to the right. We get 12.5% decrease. Okay? Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in class tomorrow.